Hello and welcome to something a little different today. Uh, I had such a hard fucking time figuring out how to do this that I have decided to make a tutorial on it in case anybody else ever has to do it. So, you see how Call of Duty United Offensive's icon is not there. Alright? To fix this, all you need to do is you need to right click on this guy, head over to Properties, then you need to change the icon. Then you hit Browse, and you're going to go, obviously, it's opened up your File Explorer. So once you're in File Explorer, you want to go to this PC or wherever you have your game files stored. For me, it's on my PC. As you can see, I have no storage space left. Let's see here. Then you go into Program Files 86. Then you go to Steam. And what you're looking for, and I was watching an old tutorial, so this should be the latest information. The file you're looking for, the file folder that you're looking for, is Steam Apps. It is not Steam Library, it's Steam Apps, all right? You go into Steam Apps, then you go into Common. That's where all your game files are stored. So, in this case, we're going to want to go to Call of Duty because United Offensive is an expansion. We're going to go into Call of Duty. Then we're going to head down, and you see how United Offensive is right here? That's what all that is. That's what that red star is, right? What you're looking for is the application file. Application file, all right? So you left click on the application file, click open. See how it's right here? That means it's working. Then you hit OK, you hit apply, then you hit OK again, and boom, there it is right there. United Offensive now has a cool little icon. So if your Steam icons are ever broken like that, that's the way to fix them. This has been Linus Tech. No, it hasn't been Linus Tech Tips. I'm not Linus. My name's Tom. Remember to do something good for your neighbor. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.